DWG PDF, converting AutoCAD DWG files to PDF is something that a lot of people are looking for, and ACROPLOT Pro has been around since 2001 and is the industrial strength DWG to PDF converter. Simply download and install the evaluation of ACROPLOT Pro. Once the software is installed, select a source directory that contains your DWG files. We'll go ahead and select the ACROPLOT samples file. And it will list all the DWGs, PLTs, all the files that are contained in the folder. If you select the little plus sign next to the DWG file, it will list the paper space layouts, model space, named views, 3D views, whatever's available in that drawing for conversion. You can select which paper space layouts you want to convert to PDF. You can select them all, unselect them all. And then up here in the output, you can choose how you want ACROPLOT Pro to create your PDF. The choices are a single PDF containing all files, which would be a multi-page PDF file, one PDF per file, or one PDF per layout. One PDF per layout is going to create a single PDF for each paper space layout, model space, or view. Convert with. The Convert With pull down, when you pick that, it will list all the versions of AutoCAD that ACROPLOT found when you installed it on your PC. If you have AutoCAD 2009 installed, then ACROPLOT will list it here. If you don't have any of these versions of AutoCAD, then they will not show up. So on this PC that we're using today, we have AutoCAD 2000 through 2009, which ACROPLOT is compatible with, and soon it will be compatible with AutoCAD 2010 when it's released. Under the options, there's the open the first file when finished. What that will do is once the PDF is created, it will open it up and show you what you got. And right down here is the output. You can select a output folder. It doesn't have to be the same folder as the source file that contains the DWG files. And so we have our drawing, our layout, our PDF file name. So let's hit convert. As soon as you hit convert, ACROPLOT is going to launch AutoCAD 2009, and then it will open up your DWG file in a read-only format. ACROPLOT will only batch process files in read-only format, so that there's absolutely no way that during a batch process, ACROPLOT can modify any DWG file. It simply opens it up, and it converts the file. The ACROPLOT monitor will show you what the progress is of the batch as it's processing. So you can see here that the batch is already 50% done. And right here it says that it's setting the layout properties where it's reading that information. There we go. The conversion has happened. And as soon as it's done converting the file, it will go ahead and save the PDF. And since we had the checkbox checked to open the file when finished, it took 49 seconds here to do this conversion, it will open up the drawing in your default PDF viewer. ACROPLOT Matrix comes with ACROPLOT Pro. ACROPLOT Matrix is a PDF and DWF viewer and editor all in one. This will allow you to rotate, insert, delete, print pages to scale, half scale. And the file that we converted today is the ACROPLOT benchmark file. This file is in the ACROPLOT samples folder, so when you download the evaluation, you can try converting this file for yourself. If we zoom in on some parts of this drawing, this sheet is a great sheet because it has all the AutoCAD colors. Look at the solid fills. They're all crisp, clean, nice looking. If we zoom in on this part of the drawing, we have a nice lines merge test. Lines merge means overlapping lines are transparent where they overlap. You don't have to have routines in place for draw order or anything like that. You simply enable lines merge, and they render in the PDF exactly as they would if you were plotting from AutoCAD. This is a very important feature for a lot of users. ACROPLOT has been supporting text masks and wipeouts in DWG files since 2001. That is no problem for creating the PDFs. Okay, and you can also see that ACROPLOT automatically created a bookmark in the PDF from the layout name in AutoCAD. There's additional settings in ACROPLOT, so you can really get a lot of control as to how the bookmarks are created, or if you even want to bookmark at all. Let's go back to ACROPLOT Pro and look at a couple other features that are in here. If you pick the Filters File button, This will control which files appear from your source folder. So when you select your source directory, these are all the file formats that ACROPLOT supports for conversion. PDF, DWF, DWG, DXF, Microsoft Word Doc, and the new Microsoft Word Doc X. Same with XL, XLSX, and if you scroll down the list, you'll see that ACROPLOT will even convert PLT files to PDF, BMP, CALs, JPEG, GP4, and TIFF. There we go, and it goes back into the directory. Okay, there's also additional options for AutoCAD users. So if you're wondering how you control the plot settings for ACROPLOT, you simply select the AutoCAD Options tab, and right here, the paper size, at least for the conversion that we're doing today, is using what's saved in the DWG layout. If you don't have a sheet size saved in your layout, you can manually just go ahead and pick 24 by 36, orientation, portrait, landscape, or automatic. Automatic usually makes your PDFs perfectly. Plot scale can be saved in layout, or if you want to make half-scale PDFs, that's easy to do. You just pick 2:1. So let's go ahead and put these back to saved in layout. It will, whatever the paper space page setup is, it'll read that information from the layout. If you have a custom or a different pen set that you want to use, ACROPLOT will find those pen sets and the different versions of AutoCAD on your PC and list them here. So for instance, we made a color PDF, but if we want to make a monochrome one, we can just pick a monochrome pen set. And that's all there is to it. More information can be found on cadzation.com. That's www.cadzation.com. Go and download a 30-day evaluation of ACROPLOT Pro and try it for yourself. There's even a place on the downloads page to put your name and your email address so that the evaluation code will be sent to you. And you put the evaluation code in, you can run unlimited batches, and there's no limitation during the 30-day evaluation period. Try ACROPLOT Pro today. It works. Thanks for watching.